Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. Today we are going to learn how to create the customer through the Shopify REST API, Storefront API, and the second one, that is login customer through the Shopify REST Storefront API. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to go to our Shopify admin, right? So here you have to go with your channels, apps and sales channel, and now you have to go with the develop apps. So here you have to create the app. So app name, you can mention it anything, that is Rajnikant, I will say. Okay, and just create a app. So here you can see that we have a configuration, that is configure admin API and the configure storefront API. So I will configure storefront first because I'm going to use the storefront. After that I will use the admin APIs for that one. Okay, so just I'm going to just create it. So I want to access all the storefront APIs. For the customers, it's already, you can see everything I have selected. I'm just good to go with save. Okay, after saving, here you can see that we have API credentials. Okay, so you don't have the access tokens currently, so install the app, go with click. Okay, so you get this API access token, right? So we have to use this API access token. Okay, so secret key we don't require, only access token we required. So let's go to the Postman. Okay, so here we have the first one, that is create an account. So we will do with the create an account. So where it is, register account. Okay, so I will use this one, graphql, and here I need to add my front store URL. So here if I just visit to my front store URL, here we go with this one. Okay, so this is my front store URL, so I'm just using this one, right? Copy this and just go with this one. Okay, so currently it's 2024, I think 01, the latest API. Okay, so here we have the headers, account registered is this one. Sign in with SS token, registered account. This is the body, right? So let's copy this body and paste it over here. So here we go with make a post request, right? Body. So GraphQL we have. Okay, so paste it. And next, what we require the variables. So copy this and paste this also over here. Okay, so this is done. Make sure go to the headers again, and here you need to pass the SS token. So here we have to go with putting up the SS token like this. So copy this and paste this one, and let's add the SS token from our store. So let's go to the settings. Here we have go with our apps and channels, and here we have the develop apps. So this is my app. So here we have our SS token. So go to the credentials, and here we have the SS token to use the front end. Just copy it and just paste it over here. Okay, let's try to create that account. Let's go to the what it says. Don't have the permissions to send a request in the workspace. Why? Okay, if not in this one, so we will make the another one new. I think it is locked over here, right? So no issues. We will go with the another one. Okay, so I will just use my workplace. I will just import this, um, export, and here we go with this one. I think I need to go with another workspace. So let's me go here. I can just go with this one. URL. Don't have the permission to send the request in the following workspace. Okay. Let me switch my workspace. My workspace. So now I have the permissions, right? So make a post request over here. We have to put the GraphQL body. Okay, let's go to that one. Workspaces. To go with whom? I need to check the. I need to. I guess I need to update that workspace. Just give me a second. Now let's move it to that one. So here we have to update our endpoints. Okay, so here we have a body. Let's put the body over here. So this is our mutation. GraphQL. Copy this. Add it over here. Now we have to paste it this email ID and all. Okay, now we have to go with our headers. So make sure you have to pass the headers. So here we go with the headers, that is token, SS token. Just copy and paste it over here. And now we have to put the SS token from our application. So just copy this and just paste it over here, and let's try to send it. Customer created. Okay, here you can see that the customer is created, and here what we are trying to get it, we haven't asking for the SS token, I guess. So we require the SS token. You can also here we can see that register account with this. We should get the SS token for that one also. It will return the SS token. Okay. So if I go to my account and let's check the our customers, here you can see the customers currently, that is test, right? So here if it is test, and if I just click on it, here you can see that temp mail at the gmail. Okay, and the rest of the details are there. Okay, created the customer, right? So this is how we are successfully able to create the customer. Now we are going to log in with that customer in the next video. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.